Welcome to the Rest Uncovered Nature-Infused Body Scan. Settle into a posture that feels easeful for your body today. Laying down is welcome but not required. What matters is comfort, softness, and the sense that you won't need to hold yourself together. Let the surface beneath you meet your weight. Imagine it as a part of the earth, steady, unhurried, willing to hold you without asking anything in return. Your arms can rest alongside you, palms open if that feels natural. Your heels settle in, feet falling gently away from each other. Taking a moment here to sense the quiet support beneath you, like soil sprouting roots. Without changing anything, notice that you're breathing. Notice the actual physical sensations of your breath. Not trying to make it any different, just being present to it. Feel the rise of your belly as the breath comes in, like a tide rising along the shore. And feel the soft release of your breath as it goes out, like the tide returning to the sea. Let the breath naturally move the way the winds move through an open field, in its own rhythm. Imagine the breath as fresh air moving through a forest, cool, spacious, effortless. On your next inhale, imagine the breath traveling down through your whole body, going past your lungs, your belly, your hips, along your legs, all the way down to your toes. Now softly bring awareness to your right big toe, and then to the left, and then both together, noticing whatever is here, tingling, warmth, coolness, or maybe nothing at all. Widen your attention to the little toes and all your toes in between. Let them feel like small stones being warmed by sunlight. Moving to the balls of your feet, the arches, the heels, letting them relax, thanking your feet for all the ways that they carry you. Sense the groundedness here, the way the earth holds you regularly without effort as you walk. Shifting up your legs to your ankles, calves, and shins. Imagine breath flowing through these areas like water moving around smooth river rocks. Next, bring awareness to your knees, the front and back of each knee, and then up to your thighs. You may notice a heaviness, pulsing, or maybe the quiet rhythm of your heartbeat. Let this feel like sensing the subtle pulse of life inside a tree trunk. Moving your attention up to your hips, pelvis, and the soft weight of your body where it meets the surface beneath you. Imagine this area settling like a stone resting into green moss. Shifting gently up into the lower back and into your belly. Feel how breath gently expands and softens this space. Let the movement of breath feel like waves gently lapping the shore, steady, rhythmic, unforced. Bring awareness to the diaphragm, rib cage, and middle back. If you notice any tension, simply acknowledging it, letting it be there as it is. Picture the breath moving through this area like sunlight streaming through trees. Shift deeper inside to the chest cavity, sensing the lungs and the heart. Parts of you that are alive beneath the surface, like roots, quiet but strong below the ground. Feeling the subtle rise and fall of your breath here, like branches and leaves swaying in a gentle breeze. Moving your awareness to your shoulders, allowing them to sink a bit deeper into the earth beneath you, as if you were laying on a warm, sandy beach. From here, feeling the upper arms, down into the elbows, forearms, and wrists. Imagine breath traveling down the arms like a light rain dripping down the trunk of a tree. Notice the palms of the hands, the backs of the hands, the knuckles, and the joints of each finger. Let them feel like petals of a flower, soft and tender. Bring awareness to the base of your neck, up to your throat and your jaw. Feeling how you are held by your support, calm and safe here in this moment. Noticing the interior of your mouth, the tongue, the cheeks, the palate. Let this area soften like morning mist lifting off a lake. drawing attention to your lips, nose, and nostrils, feeling the breath begin and end here. Moving up to the eyes, the muscles around them, the forehead, and sensing the scalp, melting any tension to the calm support of the earth. Picture your whole face bathed in a warm, gentle sunlight. Now slowly sensing your entire body from the head back down to the feet. Imagining your whole body as part of nature, rooted, breathing, alive. Because you are nature. And in this moment, just let everything be just as it is. And in this moment, let everything be just as it is. Taking a last few deep breaths here, deep inside the earth that is your body. As this practice comes to a close, before moving, thinking about moving, as if you're a seedling slowly sprouting from the earth. Mindfully, in your own time, gently wiggling your fingers and toes. Slowly allowing light back in by opening your eyes. And slowly allow your and slowly allowing your eyes to let in a little light. And softly allowing your eyes to let in a little light, stretching in whatever way feels good for your body. And when you are ready, with a newfound steadiness from the natural world cultivated within you from this body scan, emerge back into your present space and time.